Neurons, structure and functions. Neurons are the cells that make up our nervous system, including the brain and the nerves. So, neurons are also known as nerve cells. Unlike other cells in our body, neurons once damaged do not repair. They do not divide and do not regrow. Structure of a neuron. Dendrites. Soma or cell body. Nucleus. Axon. Schwann cell. Myelin sheath. Nodes of Ranvier. Axon terminals. Let us understand the structure and functions of each of these parts one by one. Dendrites. These root-like parts of a neuron receive signals from other neurons and transmit the signals to the cell body. They may be long or short depending on the complexity of the nerve structure. For example, Purkinje nerve cells in the cerebellum part of the brain have highly branched dendrites because they receive signals from thousands of other cells. Soma or cell body. It contains the nucleus and other cell organelles like Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, and mitochondria. It contains the genetic information and directs the synthesis of proteins. These proteins are important for the normal functioning of the neuron. The cell body functions to maintain the nerve cell and keep it functioning and alive. Axon. It is a tail-like structure that joins the cell body at a junction called the axon hillock. It may range in size from 0.1 mm to over 3 feet. It functions to carry the signals from the cell body to the axon terminals which transmit the signal to the other neurons. Myelin sheath. It is an insulation layer that covers the axons. It is formed by the Schwann cells. Myelin sheath insulates one nerve cell from another, so that the signal from one neuron does not clash with the signal from another neuron. It also functions to speed up the process of the conduction of the nerve impulse. Axon terminals. These are located at the end of a neuron. They are responsible for transmitting signals to other neurons. The signals are transmitted from the axon terminals of one neuron to the dendrites of the other neuron through a chemical junction called synapse. Neurotransmitters are released from the axon terminals into the synapse. They carry the signal across the synapse to the dendrite of the next neuron. Happy learning! Do subscribe for more simple lessons.